So if you are an absolute beginner to the guitar, maybe you've never even touched a guitar before, please stick around, this lesson is for you. So for today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you 3 chords which only requires one finger, just the one finger of your fretting hand. And these are the chords C, G and G7. So you do not need multi-fingers or the big patterns, you just need one finger and these 3 strings on the top of the guitar. Okay, so let's start with the C. The C chord is played with your first finger, first fret on the 2nd string, and you're gonna strum strings 3, 2, 1. Okay, moving on to the G chord. For the G chord, you're gonna go use your 3rd finger of your fretting hand, 3rd fret on the E string or the high top string, string number 1, 3rd finger, and you're gonna strum the 3 same strings. Okay, now we're gonna learn the G7. So the G7 is simple as well. We just need one finger on the 1st fret of the 1st string, the very first note, and we're gonna strum the same 3 strings. And maybe back to C. Yeah. So there you go. There you have 3 of your very first chords. Okay. So one more time. C, G, G7. And you can play literally hundreds of songs with those 3 chords, or maybe a combination of those 3, C and G. I'll put the names of the songs somewhere on the screen here, and you can get started playing those songs. So just with those 3 chords and combination of those 3 chords, you can literally play hundreds of folk songs and a lot of pop songs. Okay, I'm just gonna show you 2 examples, one folk song and one pop song from the lovely John Lennon that I love. So the first one is Down in the Valley. It only has the C chord and the G7 chord. Okay, so Down in the Valley goes like this. Down in the valley so low, hang your head over, hear the wind blow. Alright, and then that pattern repeats. If you listen to the song, you can just figure that out. Super easy. Let that be your first song, okay? So the second song that I'm going to show you is Give Peace a Chance by John Lennon. And I've always loved John Lennon's message of peace and love to the world. So this brings me a lot of joy to share this with you. So the verses are just the C chord over the words. So I'll just go to the chorus, which goes, all we are saying is give peace a chance. And all we are saying is give peace a chance. Okay, enjoy your first chords and the first songs. All right, remember to give peace a chance next time.